buy signal sa TIPI. Sino yung mga may TIPI dyan? This is the daily time frame. The last time that we had a buy signal was nung November 15, 91,000, around that area yung price ng Bitcoin, and we hit 99 in 7 days, I think. We hit 99. So ngayon po, nagkaroon ulit tayo ng buy signal at around similar area or a little higher, mga nasa 95. Ang tanong ngayon, kaya ba natin basagin na itong 99 at abot na ba tayo? Basagin na ba natin yung 100? Gusto nyo na ba? Baba tayo sa lower time frame para ma-check natin kung maganda ba forma ng price action. Lower time frame natin, meron din tayong buy signal sa H4. Meron tayong nakikita dito na trend line. Ito ka this trend line. Nauuntog yan dyan sa trend line. So, kailangan natin biyakin yan. Pag biniyak yan, tama ka na naman ulit dito sa 99.5 area. Ngayon, ganito po. So, alam natin na there will be a strong resistance dyan sa 100K area. And this will be probably the second attempt. Okay, kung sasakali man, babanatan natin probably this weekend, i-attempt natin ulit yung 99. I would say na yung second try, there is a 50-50 chance, probability na basagin. So, meaning to say, kapag po, umakyat tayo dyan, 50-50 chance, pwede ka pa rin ma-reject. Pag na-reject ka, nag-form ka ng higher low, yung next attempt mo, the third one, 70-80% chance of breaking it. So, ibig sabihin po, itong attempt natin, itong possible na magiging attempt natin, pwedeng medyo pigil pa, 50-50 chance of breaking it. Pero, yung next attempt, kung sakaling man hindi mabe-break, yung next attempt, most likely babasagin natin. Ang tanong na lang, kailan yan at ano ang plano mo?